Hi everyone, I'm Bea and I'm here to teach you Italian in the most simple and effective way as possible. Today is our fourth lesson. We are going to talk about something that is very useful in the daily life, which are greetings. And also, I will tell you how to introduce yourself, a basic way to introduce yourself in a conversation. So let's start with greetings. You already know ciao is hello, but also goodbye. And as I already said, it's very informal. So be careful to don't use ciao in a formal situation. If you say ciao to someone that you don't know, could be very weird. Then we have salve. Salve is not very used. You can say salve, meaning hi or hello. And it's more formal, I will say. But, as you already know, the best way to say ciao in a more formal way is buongiorno. Buongiorno is good morning. Now I want to tell you how to say buongiorno during all the day. So we have buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, which is good afternoon. It's quite formal, I will say, more formal than buongiorno. Then we have buonasera, which is good evening. And lastly, we have buonanotte. Buonanotte means good night. So dividing the day in four parts, we have buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, and buonanotte. Then, what you can say when you are leaving, when you want to say goodbye. So to say goodbye, we already said that you can say ciao. You can say arrivederci. Arrivederci with a double R, so be careful with the pronunciation. Means goodbye, and it's quite formal, I will say. It's formal. Then you can also say see you later, which is a dopo. In Italian, we use a plus something to say see you. For example, a dopo, see you later. A presto, see you soon. A domani, see you tomorrow. Domani is tomorrow. Then, when you are finishing a conversation, you can also say buona giornata. So it's similar to buon giorno, but it's different. You use it in a different way. Buongiorno is used at the beginning of a conversation. Buona giornata is something that you say when you're leaving. You say like, have a good day. Buona giornata is have a good day. Buongiorno is good morning. And then buona serata. You can also say, for example, buona serata if you're leaving someone in the evening. The difference between buonasera and buona serata is the same that you have between buongiorno and buona giornata. Lastly, I would like to tell you what you have to say when you are replying to a call. When we reply, we say pronto, and then you wait. For example, pronto, and then the other person will say ciao, come va, and something else. Literally is ready. So it's just a kind of a greeting that you say when you reply to the phone. Pronto, and then the other person will start to speak. Okay, now in this video I would also like to tell you some basic expressions linked with the greeting. So when you say ciao, buongiorno, etc., you can add, for example, how are you? So to say how are you, we already know that we can say come va. But you can also say come stai, come va, and come stai are more or less the same thing. To reply to come va or come stai, you can say tutto bene, grazie. E tu? Bene, grazie. E tu? Which are more or less the same, and the meaning is I'm fine and you. Then you can ask to someone his or her name. To ask the name, we ask come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? Or you can also say qual è il tuo nome? To reply, you can say mi chiamo plus your name, or il mio nome è plus your name, as you already know from the first video. After the presentation, if you meet someone for the first time, you can add some fixed expressions, I will say, like you will say in English. For example, nice to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you, piacere, molto piacere. You can say, for example, mi chiamo Beatrice, piacere, which is my name is Beatrice, pleasure, my pleasure. Pleasure to meet you, nice to meet you, is piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti, nice to meet you. If you're speaking with someone that you don't know, so if you want to be more formal, like the difference between scusa and mi scusi, if you remember from the first video, we have piacere di conoscerti, informal, piacere di conoscerla, more formal. So you can also say piacere di conoscerla, and you will be more formal. Usually the other person will say piacere mio. It's like a reply. So you say piacere di conoscerti, and the person will probably say piacere mio. The person is saying, I'm happy that it's a pleasure for you, it's also a pleasure for me. Okay, to conclude, the last important and basic information that you can give to someone is the age. How can you ask, how old are you? In Italian, how old are you is quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? To reply, we have a fixed structure. And now you don't know numbers in Italian, so it's difficult for you, but the next video will be numbers in Italian. So you should continue to follow this course because the next video will be about numbers, so you will be able to tell your age in the complete way. But for now, I give you the structure. You can search the number that you are looking for. For example, in my case, will be 21, and you can start to learn only your age by heart. And then in the next video, we will see all numbers in Italian. For now, so I give you the structure, which is O plus the number plus anni. So in my case, ho 21 anni, ho 15 anni, etc. Okay guys, for today it's all about the basic presentation and greetings in Italian. I hope that this was useful for you. If you have any question, if you want to try to write your basic presentation in the comments, I would love to correct all of them. So leave your presentations in the comment and I will correct them. It was a pleasure to stay with you. Thank you for following this video. Grazie mille and see you soon. A presto with the next video.